Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on Dashcoin. In my previous videos, I've been showing you that Dashcoin first broke out a quite long-term falling wedge pattern, and after that it was stuck inside in another down channel. And I was showing you that it is about to break that next channel, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally we broke out this channel. Here you can see that the same resistance of this previous falling wedge pattern has been breaking as a support of this channel, and here we had this quite long-term downtrend and resistance. By the way, from the month of March 2024 up till the month of October 2024, it had been moving inside this channel. And the target that I was telling you for the breakout from this channel was here at the top of this channel, approximately at $45. And you can see that the price and had rallied beyond that target. And so far, from this low to the current high, it has rallied almost 276%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $60 and also broke down this support of $50 as well. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the rejection, after getting down from the support of $40, it is once again rejected by the resistance of $50. But if we take a look at the oscillator, then you can see that stochastic has again entered, almost entered the oversold zone. And this time I'm expecting that without touching the support, this next support of $40, the pricing can make another attempt to break out the resistance of $50. It was happen, such move we have seen here as well in the month of October, when the price end was rejected by this long-term resistance of $23.27. But when it was moved slightly down, and the stochastic entered the oversold zone and the price and again moved up and we broke out next resistance. Even we broke out so many resistance level after that. And same as like that, after this rejection, you can see that stochastic has once again entered the oversold zone. Therefore, I'm expecting that as soon as we may receive a bull cross from the oversold zone, the pricing can make another attempt to break out this resistance of $50. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've already shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for OGN, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 21st of November 2024. And here you can watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that first, the price line dropped more down and completed the final leg and entered the buying zone. And then we had a very, very massive price reversal. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Dashcoin. And this is 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, Dashcoin was moving inside this long-term down channel. By the way, the previous support, a previous resistance of the volume wedge pattern was flipped into a support, and it was also breaking as support for this channel. And here we have found the resistance of the channel from the month of March 2024 up to the month of October 2024. It has been moving inside this channel. And finally, after the breakout, we had a very, very powerful pump. By the way, the technical target that I was telling you for this breakout was here at the top of this wedge, approximately at 44 $45, and you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target but could not break out this long-term resistance of $60. And now we have recently broken out the $50 support as well. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that this $50, the price and is rejected by the $50 resistance once again. After getting bounced from this next support of $40, it is again rejected and now moving towards the next support of $40. But at the same time, you can see that stochastic is entering the oversold zone. Therefore, if we will receive a bull cross from the oversold zone, then there will be a probability that the price end may not test the support of $40, and we may see another attempt to break out the resistance of $50. And in case of breaking out this $50 resistance, the pricing can make another attempt to break out the next resistance of $60 as well. Now, if you take a look at the target, for the very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that we have already broken out this wedge, but so far the price and could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And we have already, by the way, achieved the target for the breakout from this channel, but now I'm expecting that soon it can hit the target for the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And that target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.